Even me people. Me say me not so good to say even here now. Me don't know if you no hear about the fraudster them in Canada where I sell fake Jamaican banana. Now for all of me Toronto followers, you no look on the pink sign there. Me not fi tell you know who the fraudster is. You just look on it. Anyway, me and Uno know say Jamaica, the largest banana grower in Jamaica is JP Farms. If you look at JP Farms logo, it's actually oval. And the logo is the new St. Mary logo. But them ya fraudster ya, I use a circular logo with the old St. Mary logo. So then we catch you if you don't look carefully. But me don't understand them. Me say me do not understand them. And you see the people in Toronto, they're mad, you know? They're mad. But what I don't understand, why is it that everybody wants to be like us? Why is it? Sometimes uno pretend to be like uno a Jamaican when God knows that uno never even see the little sand them on the beach at Jamaica. No. Uno there now and I sell fake banana. Uno tappy. Me say uno tappy, uno fraudster in a Toronto know uno is. And uno better stop sell fake banana. You hear her? Cause right now uno irate the people them. Nobody no want fake banana. Go watch me video when you see me I carry the real banana pa me head.